To access navigation on your BT50 Alpine infotainment system, turn your BT50 on and make sure you are stationary with the handbrake engaged. On the infotainment screen, press the navigation button, then press the magnifying glass on the right-hand side. Here you can search destination via address, coordinates, or search for a place. Enter your destination. Select More if you want to see your trip as a list, save or change route preferences, and search places along your route. Then select Start Navigation. You can change view with the plus or minus buttons, or the 2D and 3D button. For more options, select the magnifying glass again. You can set a waypoint, detour, or see alternate routes. You can also save the destination as home, work, or as a favourite. Mazda's satellite navigation system. For more information on how to use Mazda's satellite navigation system, please refer to your owner's manual or visit mazda.com.au.